family, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Guys, we have Temu packet. Let's unbox it together, yeah? Come with me. We are going to see what is inside together. This is a juice maker, I think so. Or food processor, one of them. Oh yeah. Yeah. We have oh no, it's blender, not a blender, food processor. It's not a juice. I thought it was the juice maker machine. I ordered it. I ordered two. I thought it was the juice one. It's the blender. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. We have this one. We have this. This is nothing. We have this one. The machine. Oh no, I thought it was two. For the cover, it showed two things different. The big and the small one. Inside is just one. It sounds funny. It sounds very funny. Oh my goodness. Okay. Nevertheless, let's try it. Let's look it very well. But the cover is give you one small and one big. They even say it. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see the machine. Oh, my head is stabbing. I need really small like this so that I can see what I'm doing very well. Yeah, I think like this is better. We have the machine here. It looks so light. I hope it will be okay. So light. Oh, the small one is inside. Oh, it's too. Oh, it's too that inside, yeah. The two that inside. It comes as they say. It really comes as they say. I'm excited. I'm really excited. I want to try, but not now because I have which one is this? I don't know. And it's also the cover for this. Oh yeah, this is the cover for this. It looks fine. It looks very good. It's rest to test it. I don't know. We are going to test it, but not now. You have this one to press also. For here, if you remove this one, you are making it can be pressing it. For now, we are not going to. Let's see. Oh, let me just try if it's working. Oh, I'm going to try it another day in another video. For now, I think I'm satisfied with it. It doesn't look. It looks a little bit lighter, and I don't know. But I think it's okay. I think it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Wow, I love it. I really love it. Yeah, I love it. I really love it. I love it. That is the machine we order from Temu. And we are going to read this one after. We are going to read it after. They have French. Yeah, it's the best thing they have. Because they have French is the best for me. I can read English, but French is better. Anyway, no one is my mother's tongue. But I think French is better. French is better. Okay, guys, we have seen the demo order I make. Let's see, the next one will be, we are going to test it and see if it's going to work or not. Or not.